Hi traders. A successful Forex trader is one capable of interpreting the charts in front of him or her to make informed decisions as to whether to buy an asset or to sell a particular asset. In this particular case, a Forex pair. But which are the best Forex charting software that you could use? Welcome to this particular video, and we are going to explore top 3 Forex charting software that you could start using immediately. And your presenter is BO Forex Pro Trader, coming to you from Forex Winners Club. A key part of your job as a Forex trader is to interpret the data you see on your screen. And talking about your screen, I'm referring to the data you see presented to you on your charting software. Now, charting software, just like, surgical tools for a surgeon, the charting software is important for you because on that charting software, you see price moving. You observe different changes that price is making over time or what is happening to price over time. Then you make a decision on whether it's okay for you to trade or not to trade. And if you choose to trade, then you will decide on whether you're going to go long or you are going to go short. And the coming screens, I will share with you what I consider to be top 3 charting software. Most of them are free, if not all of them being free, that is. Number 3, NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is considered an award-winning trading platform or software and gives you free access to advanced charting, strategy backtesting and trade simulation features. Top features of NinjaTrader are: 1, you are able to analyze the markets to uncover trading ideas. It gives you a platform to analyze the markets so that you can form a trading idea that then you can convert into an actual trade when that matures. 2, with NinjaTrader, you can build integrated and very rich or feature-rich trading applications, and that means you are able to combine various indicators and various tools to come up with an application you could use. Next is you can simulate trading to test your ideas. You can also backtest. In backtesting, it means you can also be offline, or you don't have to wait for live data. It does mean that in backtesting, you can scan the charts backwards to previous days, months, years, and be able to see whether your trading idea is solid. You can automate or execute trades manually. That means it supports automation. That is letting the software or the computer trade for you. And you can also trade manually as a person, so mechanical strategies in that case. Another feature of NinjaTrader is it supports free standard functions. And I've mentioned these 3 standard functions. They are backtesting, trade simulation, and market analytics. You are able to do all of these things on NinjaTrader. It supports a dozen of indicators, so many, I would say dozens of indicators actually. That means you can use trend indicators, volume indicators, reversal indicators, volatility indicators, and many other types of indicators that you may want to use in your trading. And there are several hundreds of add-ons, things you could want to include on your platform to improve your trading experiences. And another feature for NinjaTrader, in our case the last one I want to believe, is the free live trading license. Now, if you only get this free license for trading live. That is, if you open an account through NinjaTrader's brokerage, for example, Forex.com, and I think FXM. Those are some of FXM. I think they allow you to trade with NinjaTrader. That means if you think trading live on NinjaTrader is a thing for you, you will need to have a relationship with a broker. In that case, Oanda or Forex.com or the other one. All right. Now, let's see what NinjaTrader would actually look like on your charts. Something like that. Something like that. This is for someone who has customized their chart to look like that. But NinjaTrader would allow you to create a template or a chart that looks like that. Next is number 2, TradingView. Now, TradingView could be number 2 or number 1. In my opinion, it is still number 2. But let's see. There are those others who do, say it is number 1. But whether number 1 or number 2, there is no big gap here. We are in a position to be able to use it to our own advantage as traders. So it is a favorite charting platform among many traders, and for that reason, it can be considered number 1 choice among those traders. And what makes it number 1 choice? Number 1, it's free. TradingView is free. That is the basic version of TradingView is free and has a lot of features that many other platforms may not be able to offer in their paid version. But that will come up later. I think in the old days of the TradingView, the free or the basic version used to have a lot of features. I think of late they have tried to move to premium, and some of the things that we used to enjoy under the basic version may not be available today. So number 2 is TradingView is easy and intuitive. It's intuitive for beginners and still powerful enough for advanced traders. So both camps are welcome. If you are new or you are experienced, you can still use TradingView. Number 3, many charting tools and indicators are available on TradingView. So you are able to analyze the market in terms of trend using volume. Many tools are available there for drawing channels or support resistance, moving averages, and many others. So it's okay for you to analyze the market on TradingView. It is a trading community. Yes, you wouldn't want to trade on a charting software that is being used by very few people. So when you get stuck, you are stuck alone. So TradingView is different, that there are thousands of people using it, and for that reason, if you are stuck, you are able to interact with others using the same platform, and you'll get help. It is available on desktop version. You can find it on your desktop. That you can run it on your desktop, you can run it on your tablet, you can run it on your smartphone. And it's important to connect that with the fact that TradingView is browser-based, so you don't need to install anything on your computer. For that reason, you can access TradingView from whichever computer you have access to, even in a cyber cafe, for instance. Then the history of your past transactions can be made public if you wanted to share that with friends, or for whatever reason you would want to access past data. It is available because, like I already mentioned, TradingView is available on your browser. You just need to know the link to it, and that would be it for you to start using it. And there are a few cons, there are a few issues with TradingView. Number 1 is, like I mentioned before, TradingView offers a free edition or a basic edition, but that basic edition allows you to use it on one device, and you can save one chart only. For example, with the free edition, you can create one chart for Euro USD, and if you do that, you cannot create another chart. So one chart, one device, and you may not get any customer support for the basic version. So that makes it very limiting. But if you need to go the premium way, you will have an expansive set of features that will make it a very powerful tool for you. But now that premium version comes at a cost. The cost for the pro version is $14.95 US per month. The Pro Plus edition comes at $29.95 a month, and the Premium edition comes at $59.95 a month. So there is an aspect of cost if you want to use the TradingView powerfully. And the free edition also, or the basic edition, comes with ads, and those ads can be disturbing. You trying to analyze the chart, and then an advert sticks out on your chart, and that is very intrusive sometimes. Over to number one, but before then, let's see TradingView, how it might look on your chart. Something like that. That is one screenshot from a TradingView chart of someone who trades that and has customized a number of things on that chart, as you can see. Number one, my most recommended, MetaTrader 4. This is the number one choice for most retail traders, even professional traders. Let's see the reasons why MetaTrader 4 could be number one. First one, it offers advanced charting tools and also has different types of price charts. In other words, you are able to use as many tools as possible. You can draw lines, you can draw different shapes on your chart, you can add support, resistance, trend line, Fibonacci, many other things like pivots. You can also use different price charts like line charts, you can use bar charts, you can also use the ordinary candlesticks, as we prefer to use in most cases. MetaTrader 4 also has dozens of built-in technical indicators. Probably if you try to check online, most of the indicators you would want to use, or you would start searching for, you would find them being MT4 indicator. They are MetaTrader 4 indicators. So you will never run short of indicators for this platform. And many developers have created many free and paid MetaTrader 4 indicators. But even so, installing MetaTrader 4 on your computer already gives you a set of, I think, tens of free technical indicators, such as MACD, stochastics, moving averages, volumes, and many others that you could instantly start using. MetaTrader 4, just like several other platforms, also supports a range of time frames from 1 minute all the way to the monthly chart. So in between, we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. We have 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart, and of course the monthly chart. Okay, and with some customization, you can still get some time frames like 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 6 hour chart, 8 hour chart, and stuff like that. MetaTrader 4 is easy to use. In addition to that, it has a large online community, making it easy for you to access help in case you're stuck in trying to do something. It is compatible with most brokers. Actually, almost any broker, any Forex broker I know supports MetaTrader 4. And for that reason, it will be okay for you to use this broker. Next reason why MetaTrader 4 rocks is it supports automated trading. And you hear people talking about robots or ES or expert advisors. Now, these are very common in the world of MetaTrader 4, which means you will be able to automate your trading. Let the computer or let the software trade for you. You can add various technical tools, like channels, trend line, support, resistance, like I mentioned earlier on. It supports thousands of plugins, so you are free to use any of them. Mobile version is available for both Android and iOS platforms, so that you can trade on the go. That means you can trade right from your phone. But remember, these Android and iOS versions of MetaTrader 4, have slightly limited functions. You may not get all the features you could ordinarily get in the desktop version. Okay, MetaTrader 4 are sample screenshots. One of the beautiful thing is you can stack 4, 6, 8 charts on the same window, so that you can do your analysis. Like now on this template here, we have on this very chart or screenshot, we have 1 hour here, 4 hours here, another 4 hours and 1 hour. So you can even put one currency pair different time frames, like maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. That can help you to do multi-time frame analysis. But of course, other charting platforms can also allow you to do that, and that should not be a problem at all. So that was number one. Do remember that MetaTrader 4 has been advanced a little bit. Now we are talking about MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5 is not as popular as MetaTrader 4, and it falls in the category of the less popular charting platforms or software. So MetaTrader 5, we have FinViz, another good solution, but it's rare. People don't use it a lot. We have CTrader, also not very common. Many brokers do not support it as well. We have eSignal, again, best suited for professionals, because look at the price. It costs $170 US a month. That is not possible for common retail traders. We have others like free Stockcharts, which you can find in if you go to the URL freestockcharts.com. We have another one called, I think, stockcharts.com, so you can go there, and also it's a web-based solution. We have TC2000. It's also used by a few, that is especially in the US and Canada, of course, for US and Canada market scanning purposes. So those are when we do a recap, you realize we started with NinjaTrader, which was our number 3, TradingView number 2, and MetaTrader 4 number 1. Depending on who you ask, any of those could easily be number 1 to them, especially TradingView and MetaTrader 4 have a large user base, and for that reason, it's very easy for someone to tell you one or the other. Others that are not being used by many others are the ones I've mentioned here as MetaTrader 5, FinViz, CTrader, eSignal, Free Stockcharts, Stockcharts, and TC2000. There could be others, and they are very rare, and that's why probably I do not even want to list them here. Let's look at a template of, a chart template from MetaTrader 4. This is one of my charts I picked just to show you that you need this charting software to help you analyze the market. So in our sample, we have, this is a Euro USD 1 hour, okay? I remember trading is done on certain time frame. So in this case, this is a 1 hour time frame. In other words, each candle is 1 hour. And here I've added two moving averages to help me, telling the direction of the trend visually, of course. And I've added support and resistance levels to help me identify swing highs and swing lows. So many other things can be added to the chart, or you can keep it clean without any of these things if you know what you are doing. And with that, we come to the end of this video. We made it a bit short, but we hope it was informative to help you at least choose a charting software. Remember, charting software is what you need as a trader, because that is where you'll be analyzing the market from, and therefore it's important for you to pick what is suitable for you as a trader. Up next, we'll be talking about Forex brokers in our next video. We'll be talking about Forex brokers, because now, after you've known these charting solutions, we want you to identify a broker and pick one, register, get an account, and we start talking about trading, actual trading. So because our next videos after we talk about brokers will be about market analysis. So we start talking about, looking at a chart and determining whether you can go long, or you can go short, or you can stand by. Thank you for watching this particular video. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and prepare to check out our new videos as they come. That's why you need to have that notification bell hit by you, that you may be able to be notified immediately there is a new upload. Meanwhile, if you like this video, you enjoyed it, do like it, hit that like, and even give a comment so that we know what you are doing well. And in case you have a question, be able to comment or write us an email, and then we'll be able to reply back to you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying all through to the end of this video. Bye bye.